Hello, Gracie.
Hi.
How was work today?
Busy.
Was it?
Yes.
Good. I was thinking we gotta get the Corvette home soon, and maybe we should put the slicks on them.
It's May 2nd.
Don't
We're
tell.
expired.
Don't tell Mom.
Yeah, we're already behind. We were supposed to get it up yesterday. May 1st.
We get the slicks on it and make some street hits. Hey guys, welcome back. Mark here at the shop. So today we're just gonna kind of catch up on a bunch of stuff that we've been sort of putting off. My boat's all done. I say done. The string steering and everything's all done and mocked up, and really happy with how it turned out. It's nice and smooth and doesn't bind anywhere, and really happy with that. So Brian's gonna, I've got everything pulled out, and Brian, who was helping me with some of the pulleys and whatnot, is gonna stop by today and pick that stuff up and send it out to be anodized. So we'll go over that. We're gonna go over to get Zach's Voodoo out of storage. My dad's hot rod's over there too, and he's gonna come with us and bring that stuff home. Yeah, we'll kind of go over that sort of stuff. We've got Mike Corey's boat is here now too. You can kind of see it back there. Zach's just gonna back up and hook up to it now. Gonna pull that around in the laneway and just come up with a bit of a plan for how we're gonna lay that stuff out. I got a bunch of parts ordered for it. Got some pretty stoked for these full spectrum power batteries that we've got ordered up. I've been kind of watching those guys for a while and reading a bunch of stuff and whatnot. I know some race guys, some Outlaw 10.5 guys and Pro Mod guys and stuff down in the States that are running them, and actually said they work really good. So we got a couple coming up for Mike's boat, so we're gonna go over that. And I don't know, just a day, a video about a whole bunch of nothing really, I guess. Just
the grant money is gone, but our VA has fundraised and received donations from public, businesses, and churches.
there she is.
Are you really taking that home? Richard. Yeah, they're in the attic.
Yeah. She don't weigh much.
Why don't you help your dad? Hey.
This way. Can you remember how to drive this thing, Pops?
Hey?
Gonna remember how to drive this thing?
Hey, Dave. Not fuel injection, maybe. No. Better than.
think what we're gonna do is Mike wants to retain the gauges in the dash because he likes that look. So we're gonna keep those. We'll get rid of the water pressure gauge down there, and I think Mike actually bought the matching EGT gauge. Exhaust Gas Technologies is a brand gauge for the water pressure that can go up in the dash. So we'll do that. Did get an aim. He wanted data, so we got an aim. We just got the Evo 4 because he doesn't want a screen. He wants it hidden. So the Evo 4, we can tuck it up underneath the side, and we're gonna get rid of this old delay box trim timer. I think I'm just gonna gut everything out. Fuel tank will stay where it is. It's got a good welding pump. I'm gonna retain the pump. I want to remount the trim pump because it's just don't really like the angle that it's on. So we'll clean that up and probably save 40 pounds, I think, out of this thing. All this wiring shit comes out of here. You know, these Mike, sorry, but these gotta go. These gotta go.
Yeah, that's a mess, eh? Holy.
Need to find my Duke's fastener ring. Oh, did you see the pretty lady?
I see. Whoa, Dad.
Mikey.
Mikey.
These bolts are pretty tight. I haven't worked on one of these yet, but a couple of guys I talked to said that I'm going to be cursing it. So we'll pull the seats out, I guess, and we can get down inside. And thankfully for this, to access the back of the dash, we can tidy this all up. And it won't be laying down in the drum, and we'll tidy that all up. It'll be nice. Pretty simple, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Basic.
GPS right there.
Yeah. But there's wires laying everywhere. I don't even know what half this shit's for. Like I think there's old harnesses laying in here that just
From old people?
from old rigging or something back in the day. So I'll just climb in and pull. Like I say, I'm just pulling everything out.
Mm-hmm.
What are you watching?
ODBA racing. Drag board racing.
Old school.
Oh, yeah. In the 2000s.
The quarter mile stuff.
Oh, yeah. That's a DR20, I think. Here it is.
I was just going to start looking at the 01 here today, and then I kind of got into tearing some stuff out, and wow. So that wraps a Sunday around here. Nothing too exciting really, but just a day in our life and kind of what goes on around here in the garage on a typical weekend. And I don't know, thought you might get a kick out of it. I kind of tend to like to watch videos of stuff like that. So anyways, as always, appreciate you guys. Thank you for everything, the likes, the shares and whatnot. The channel's growing. I'm pretty stoked. Viewership is way up, which is awesome. And viewed hours is way up. subscribed viewers, and it needs to come up for me to start to collect a paycheck from there. But anyways, we're getting there, and it's grown because of you guys, and you guys take the time to watch the videos and comment and ask about them and like. And as long as you see interest, then I'll just continue to do it. So as always, love you guys, appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day.